Hi, and welcome to this video on how to set up an LLC for your real estate investing business. Whether you just started out in real estate investing or you've been doing it for a while, setting up an LLC is a great way to protect your personal assets and streamline your business operation. So in this video, we are going to walk you through the process of setting up an LLC step by step. Hang on tight. Please note that I'm not an attorney or a tax accountant. The information provided is for general education purposes only and should not be taken as legal or tax advice. It is recommended that you seek the advice of a qualified professional or any legal or tax-related concerns. My name is Havon Lee at Real Estate Supermoms. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. And check in every Wednesday. Leave a comment below. Let me know how this channel can better serve you. To all of our listeners and viewers out there, thank you so much for your support. There are 5 steps in setting up an LLC, and they are not complicated, I promise. The first one is to choose a name. Duh! Choosing a name for your LLC is going to be an important first step in setting up your real estate investing business. Your name should be unique and distinguishable compared to other businesses in your state. You can check the availability of a name by searching on your state's Secretary of State website by using an online service. When choosing a name, you also want to make sure that it's compliant with the state's naming requirements. For example, some states may require that your name include the word like limited liability company or abbreviation like LLC. Make sure to check the specific requirement of your state. Some name that come to mind is the Real Moms of Property LLC, the Mom Squad Real Estate Group LLC, or Momvestor LLC. Hit that like or comment below of some names you could think of. Step number 2 is to choose a registered agent. Every LLC is required to have a registered agent, and this could be a person or a company receiving legal notice or documentation on your company behalf. A registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed and must be available during normal business hours to receive documents. You can choose to be your own registered agent, but many people choose to use a professional service. There are many companies out there who will offer registered agent service for a small fee. This can be a good option when you either working virtually or you don't want to use your own address. You don't want people to know where you live, or you're just not available all the time during business hours. The next step in setting up your LLC is to file your article of organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This is a document that officially created your LLC. It will include your business name, your registered agent, and the members of the LLC. To file your articles of organization, you need to provide some basic information, which include the name of your business address, your registered agent information, registered agent address, and the name of the members of the LLC. You can include my name in there too. Just kidding. You will also need to pay a filing fee, which varies by the state. Have you subscribed yet? Step number 4 is to draft an operating agreement. This may be the most icky step in setting up an LLC, but very important. An operating agreement outlines how the LLC will be operated and managed. Even though it's not required by all states, but it's a good idea to have one to avoid confusion and dispute down the line. It can be fairly easy when you're on your own or you're the only member of your LLC, but it can get a little bit more tricky when you have partners or multiple partners. Your operating agreement should cover topics such as how will profits and losses will be distributed among members, how decision will be made, what happens when a member wants to exit the LLC, You can draft the document on your own or hire a lawyer to help you doing so. Finally, we are on our last step in setting up your LLC. This step requires you to obtain a necessary license and permit. Depending on the type of real estate investing you want to do, you may want to obtain some license and permits. For example, if you plan to be a broker or agent, you may want to obtain a license from your state real estate commission. Or if you plan to do new development or renovation, you may need to obtain a permit from your local government. Check with your state and local government offices to see what kind of license and permit that will be required for your specific type of real estate investing. I know this is really not fun to do, but failure to obtain necessary license and permits can cause fines or other problems down the line. In conclusion, setting up an LLC for your real estate investment business is an important step in protecting your personal assets and streamline your business operations. By following these steps, you can create a legal structure that meets your needs and sets you up for success in real estate industry. I know this may not sound like all that fun to you, and if you are ready to do a deal now, check out my other video on how to invest in real estate for beginner. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope you now feel confident in setting up your LLC for your business. If you have any question or feedback, leave me a comment below. Thank you so much. See you next time.